CG Crew, welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone is having a good day, evening, night, whatever time you're watching this video. Today is Mother's Day, and I just want to say happy Mother's Day to all of the wonderful mothers out there. Us queens, we rock. And yeah, so today we are back with the vlog. It's the whole family. What he said. So if you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, give this video a nice thumbs up, leave a nice comment because we know you're gonna like it. So yeah, enjoy this vlog and we'll catch you at our first stop. So the rice has come out. Double C and the boys went to the restroom. So Double C and I ordered the filet mignon and the shrimp. The kids, well, the boys just wanted rice. Moo wanted shrimp. And my mom ordered chicken and steak. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Here's the food. Shrimp, filet mignon, vegetables, and 2 orders of fried rice. Everybody's eating except me. Yes, dude. What? So, yeah, just flip the bowl over. You got it? Okay. Sit your bowl right here. All right. Woo, CG Crew, we are full. We just left the restaurant and we went at the perfect time because now it is getting crowded. We ate and now we are headed somewhere else. We're gonna also go and see my mother-in-law, my grandmother-in-law, and I'm just gonna take you guys with us. And yeah, again, I hope you all are enjoying your day and catch you in a bit. So we're standing outside of Bath and Body Works about to go in. There is a line, but we're here waiting patient. Huh? In Bath and Body Works, finally. Hi. CG Crew, so we're at my mother-in-law's house now. Going to spend some time with them and just chill out for a while. After we leave here, we're going to head to the grocery store and do our weekly grocery shopping. So move over.
About to see one.
Y'all, in this next clip, I was just trying to prop my phone up to get some raw family footage, and this happened. Oh, I did it?
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
What did I do?
You unplugged the TV or something.
I didn't touch
and
it.
then we set the whole cable box. By the time the game will be over, by the time we come back.
Oh, sorry.
No,
No, I was doing something.
Love you. Let me. I think Mom wants to say something. Hold on.
Oh.
This is going to take the game will be over by the time we come back.
TV on, cut back on?
No, it's just coming on now.
Oh, you could have went over there.
No, I didn't want to.
Well, you could have waited till after the game to do that. It was only a minute and a half left.
It was one over there. I know.
You said you didn't report back in what you just
I didn't. It right here. Nothing came out the plug. I don't know if something over there may have came out.
Hold on and see, girl.
What did?
best world record and the best in the Eastern Conference.
CG crew, we're headed into Kroger to pick up a few groceries. Here in Kroger. Huh? Oh. Ooh. No flowers. Y'all seen those?
They make wow. Well, it probably tastes good.
And you see how they got the different snacks.
There is a call
Pop-Tarts?
for the floral department.
I get you some
1
oatmeal.
0 1.
Oh, and they got the they got it on sale. Hey, get your oatmeal.
Which one?
He want this one. This one right here,
Yeah, you just let them
Get
go.
2 of them.
Decently get that.
Right here.
For a week.
We have some of that at the house.
Last time you made some.
No.
I got some at the house.
I'm gonna get some chicken breast.
I'm sorry, I'm gonna get over there. How do you say at the airport?
Oh, I need to get some bread, but while I'm right here, I'm gonna get the chicken breast. I'm gonna get 2 bags. Y'all, here's my list. Give or take. Huh? I'm talking to CG crew. Let me go back this way and get the bread.
They have that. They have that.
Is it what? What? No, that's buy 4. I think you gotta buy 4. Thank you. You know I know this grocery deal, okay?
I need to go to that. I need to go to the range.
Oh, let me get the lunch meat. Huh? Huh?
Wait.
So Channing's pushing the buggy. You ain't gonna go too far.
Somebody right there.
I know. Go, Duka. When you see somebody, you have to stop. Okay, go. Uh-oh. Move over. Huh?
No, push it by myself.
Okay, go ahead.
Daddy.
I'm trying to help you, yo. Yes, you do. Stop.
Look who else we found.
Wait.
Channy, what are you doing?
I don't know what alley going there.
Oh yeah, we actually do need the Cheez-Its. I was gonna get these for you. He just putting stuff in the buggy. So wait, are these the ones they have on the deal? The weekly deal? Which box you have, Duka? No, you have the, I don't think it's this one. I think it's this one. The smaller box. Oh no, that's extra toasty. Let me get the original. Oh. I got the cheeses. What are you putting in there?
Yeah, put some frozen pops. Some frozen freezer pops.
Okay, I'm gonna go over here. You heard me, babe?
You want a thing?
I'm not gonna go over here. Want a thing?
But it's facing the other way.
I need to go on this road, babe. Let me look at the pop.
If you come back over here, I'm gonna be mad.
Well, no, he's gonna be mad at me if we have to come back over to this aisle, you guys.
Yeah, because instead of just walking past and then coming back.
Okay, well, we can just, he wants to just go ahead down this aisle and then go around. Okay. Huh? No. You seen those, but those not the ones. We're gonna get these because I think these on the weekly ad. I wrote them on my list. After that. I got it from here. Thank you. Look who else we found. We're all in the store together, of course. All right, CG crew. So far we got some white American cheese, yellow American cheese bread, 2% lactose-free milk, cereal, oranges, Tostitos chips, pancakes. I'm gonna try the beef shaved steak because we're gonna do some steak sandwiches one day this week. Candy, of course, my husband and the kids wanted candy, Lay's chips, Egos, orange juice, milk. I'm gonna try these macaronis. I usually don't buy these, but I'm gonna try it this time. And pasta sauce, and also some chicken breast down here. But that's what we have so far. Let's go get some bread. And eggs. These eggs caught my eye because it said free range blue and brown. Let me see. Oh, it is blue. The shell is blue. If you see it from me looking here. Okay. Oh, $7.99. One day I'll be able to buy these eggs. But for right now, I'll do the regular eggs. All right, CG crew. So we are back. In effect, this is all we purchased from Kroger. So I'm gonna quickly just go through it. The cheese just fell. So we have brown rice because we're gonna try to eat a little healthier. So we have the brown rice, nacho cheese. Who put? That wasn't me. Ragu, biscuits, sharp, what is this? Mild cheddar block cheese. And we have American cheese and white American cheese. I plan on doing some steak, but we'll get into that. We have yogurt. What is this? Donut balls. What is this? Cinnamon rolls, pancakes, bread, IV in a bottle. Tell you guys about that later. What is this? What is this? I'm looking at the word oatmeal, more yogurt, orange juice, Fruit Loops, Frosted Flakes, Cocoa Puffs, Flamin' Hots. We got these Tostinos, tortilla chips, chicken breast, if I didn't say pancakes already, pancakes. And we have lunch meat, ham, turkey, Sour Patch for the kids. This ice, some moo. Oh, chips here, chips here, chips here. Syrup, more cinnamon rolls. The milk dozen for the husband. And this is the beef shaved steak. So I'm gonna do some steak sandwiches. That's why I have the steak and the white American cheese and those hoagie rolls. My husband and my sons, they're watching the basketball game, so excuse them, okay? And this is the first, these Velveeta's, because I usually don't even buy Velveeta brand anything. I usually buy Kraft, but bought those for the kids. We got Eggos, milk, apple juice, chicken breast if I didn't say that, cuties, chips, and Channing wanted this chip, so that's Channing. More bread. Yeah, so that is all what we got. Oh, and eggs. Oh, did I say these cakes? I did just say we were trying to eat a little healthier, right? But it wasn't my choice. Louisiana crumb cake and chocolate fudge cake by Entenmann's. So yeah. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give this video a nice thumbs up. Leave a nice comment. We will appreciate it. So until the next one, thank you all for your support. Thank you for continuing to rock with us. And this is Mother's Day. So again, happy Mother's Day to all the wonderful mothers out there. So until the next video, bye-bye.